So I have here this vanity stool or chair, and I call it a stool or a chair because the top here actually can fold down so that you can just use it as a stool if you want, which is a nice way to add some versatility to this. So you can use it as a stool or an ottoman if you just want it in front of your couch, put your feet up. Or you can use it as a chair. And it's really nice and soft. It's got these goldish brass looking legs. Kind of a glam retro look to them. And those feet are adjustable. And they have a little grippiness to them too, so they should be anti-slip as well. I did need to attach these legs to the bottom, so there was just a little bit of installation, although it wasn't hard. It came with the Allen wrench to put it together. So super simple. This also opens up. You just pull open from that string there, and you have some storage in there. So you can store some makeup supplies, books, CDs, whatever it is. And it just slides on top. Super soft, really nice and elegant. A little versatile because that chair back folding down. Yeah, it's a nice piece.